I am Melissa once again with a new video for you. Gemini 2020 Monthly Horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Gemini horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 is a time for you to contemplate on your next move and concentrate more on education. February 2020 is an excellent month for intellectual pursuits. March 2020 might be a tough time for you to stay silent when you see something wrong happening. April 2020 is a good month to improve your relations with your friends and family. May 2020 will be a passionate and emotional month for the twins. Practicing meditation will be beneficial. June 2020 is an energetic month when you will want to do something new. July 2020 is the right time to plan for the future. Be it a new career or relationships, this is a good month to think about it. August 2020 will be a month of professional upheaval. Difficult times might come in front of you. September 2020 is when you should communicate better with your loved ones and colleagues. October 2020 is a month when you will need to make important decisions that might change your future. November 2020 is when you will enjoy helping people out, which will give you mental peace. December 2020 will be a busy month. Forces will pull you in different directions.